Hi everyone, welcome back to Nina Kitchen. Today I am going to make mango ice cream milkshake. For that we need 2 mangoes, badams, pistachios, mint leaves, milk chocolate, vanilla ice cream and some milk. Cut 1.5 mangoes into small pieces and add to a blender. Add 50 ml of milk to it and blend until it is smooth. Take a glass, add the remaining cut pieces of mangoes to the glass. It will be nearly 3/4 of the glass. Add the blended smooth mango to the glass. Fill this up to the top. Leave some space for the ice cream and then add 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Decorate the top with the pistachios and badams. On top of the ice cream, also add some milk chocolate. Decorate with the cherries and mint leaves. Now the mango milkshake is ready to use. Thanks for watching this recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Bye, and we will see you next time with another recipe.